Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafetu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Espoir 0. I'm joined by Brache.
Stibo, before Kiakol and Fanagitine, congratulations going to Mexico, Fanagitine. So I got a Savaka, and then the other thing is, I wish Sundowns all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Tamalaka. Is that all?
Thank you.
Came in here today, man of the match. I want to Montunyana.
I got one more to
be. But we shall the best.
Only the best.
When I'm around Riaka, when I'm right, that's a Bombay.
Roifetsa ko Bombela ka 23.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How we promise. I got
Artlaka de Bombela ntate.
Win, lose, draw. Wafita won.
Ki win.
Ki win straight. I na flow.
I like you win.
Nalo na set appointment.
Still, tabi na lo ena ka nakui.
Yeah, I na flow. I na flow.
And whatever ko pana ka ya re fetsa ke. Na lo ena.
Yeah.
Mo ti ding ila ri.
Ska wara. Ska wara. Thank you leadership. Sure, Brache.